Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding new friends on COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, from the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the Friends icon at the top right of the screen. If you want to add someone from a recent game as a friend, then tap Recent Game. Find their username and then tap the Add Friend button to send them a friend request. To add someone else, select Add Friends from the left sidebar. Enter their name in the search box and then tap Search. On their profile, tap the Request button to send them a friend request. They will get a notification and will be able to accept or ignore your friend request. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.